Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Indonesia is the most generous country in the world. This picture contains lava, the Milky Way, a meteor, and the moon, all in one shot. The teacher, who is indeed wise, does not bid you to enter the house of his wisdom, but rather leads you to the threshold of your mind. We often inhibit ourselves from consuming something scarce because we feel it is not our right even though someone has to do it. Hycean is a new class of planets that might support alien life. Titanic's second-class accommodation mostly consisted of bunk beds. A woman's eyesight can be affected by pregnancy. These are usually minor and temporary conditions such as blurred vision and dry eyes and will go away once the child is born. The first type of molecule in the universe is helium hydride. Females suffer more from animal phobia and social anxiety than men. Hindi was adopted as India's official language in 1949. Movie theaters make roughly 85% of their profit of concession stands. This is because ticket revenues have to be shared with the movie distributors. Females have a slower breathing rate in comparison to males. Octopus is very intelligent animal. They have been known to sneak onto fishing boats and even open the holes to eat the bait crabs. Happy people generally earn more than unhappy people. Around 90% of illness and disease are either caused or complicated by stress, which is why it's important to work on reducing stress levels over the course of your life. Sunlight can penetrate clean ocean water to a depth of 73 meters. Romantic love eventually ends only to be followed by committed love. The small indents in the bottom of frozen pizzas are there to prevent air bubbles forming inside the dough. People who are in love have chemical similarities with people with OCD. 1 acre of trees absorbs enough carbon dioxide per year to match that emitted by driving a car 26,000 miles. Coca-Cola proves to be quite good at dissolving stubborn, indigestible material, thereby easing severe stomach pain. Massage helps in reversing the pain caused by the exercise. Muscles contracted during the workout compress the nerves around them. Massage relaxes these muscles, and as a result, the nerves operate more efficiently. Tim Sweeney, the CEO of the company that created Fortnite, owns 40,000 acres of land in North Carolina, making him one of the largest private landowners in the state. Sneezing resets the nasal environment by getting rid of any irritating particles and restoring the correct level of mucus. An imbalance of mucus can trigger a sneeze. Airplanes flying at an altitude of just a few hundred feet above the ground don't cast a shadow. Shadow of an object on any surface is linked to its proximity from the surface. It only costs internet service providers about 0.40 USD a month to provide you with internet access. Historically, lemons were used to bring the shine back to copper pans and woods. Ironically, cleaning products that we use have a lemon-like scent and not actual lemon juice. Margaret Hamilton, NASA's lead software engineer for the Apollo, stands next to the code she wrote by hand that took humanity to the moon in 1969. According to new test results released by Consumer Reports, your favorite brand of dark chocolate may contain lead like dangerous heavy metals. The term quarantine is one that is as old as time, segregating the ill or the dangerous to protect the rest of the tribe. It means simply 40 days and refers to a time when during the plague ships arriving in Venice were required to stay out of the sea for the entire 40 days before docking. A new study reports on a worrying link between higher levels of air pollution and faster bone loss through osteoporosis, a chronic skeletal condition that makes bones more fragile and likely to break. Patches of intestinal tissue grown from the cells of mice contract similarly to the muscles in the digestive tract. If the same patches can be grown from human cells, they could one day treat conditions like short bowel syndrome. Why is India burning in April? Summers in India have become the hottest in comparison to the last 5 years. There will be many more heat waves than usual for most of India this summer, IMD says. The heat waves will last for approximately 10 to 20 days in April to June. In March, already temperatures in many Indian cities have gone above 40 degrees Celsius. Many cities like Bengaluru are already facing water problems and experiencing its hottest day of March in the last 5 years. The primary cause for this is a natural phenomenon called El Nino. It happens when the Pacific Ocean gets hotter than usual, causing less rain and hotter weather. Another reason for such a hot temperature is the heat waves, meaning it's super hot in some places for longer than usual. If you're from states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan or Madhya Pradesh, you must take care of your hydration and save water. Thanks for watching.